Hello guys, hello everyone. I have a special guest coming in a few days. They're coming from Dubai. So it's another day here in India as usual. And in preparation of these two special guests that's coming into our house, so I have to do a lot of general cleaning.
Don't give up now, you gonna leave. I pick a fight somehow, make me believe that I do.
General cleaning that I'm doing is to cleaning my windows. Look, I already removed the curtain in the window and now I'm going to clean the windows. I remove all the curtains in the window. So this is this is the living room area. Or yeah, living room area. So the curtain is also removed and this will be the room for a few days staying in my house. This is the last batch of our curtain. Look at that. I already hung the curtain and there also. And my car is in service. So because I need to prepare the car as well. So my hanger is already full, so I don't know where to keep this. Let me hang this cloth first and let me think where to hang it. Also prepare the bucket to clean the This is the bucket to clean my windows and the stairs or the ladder. Okay, you see that. So let me hang this cloth first and let me. Actually, it's very hot here in India. It's so sunny, and in Kerala, I don't know in other parts of India, but I think also in other parts of India, India is extreme hot, and here in our place is also very hot. I don't know the temperature nowadays, but it sometimes it's killing me. I have headache because I have some allergy in heat. It's time to clean our windows. I said I prepared already the ladder. You can see the ladder or stairs. We'll clean this one. I will show you how I clean my window because I never seen people cleaning their windows like this. So it's the Filipino style of cleaning windows in India. I just want to share with you guys while we're cleaning our windows. I'm watching my noontime show. It's not yet noon here, but it's noon in Philippines, so I never miss any of episode of Itbulaga only when I'm going out. So while cleaning, I'm also watching. So this is every day my happy pill. Itbulaga is my happy pill every day, and solid dabarkats ako. So I will show you now how I clean my windows here in my Indian house. So come.
Deep cleaning is a more thorough service than the standard cleaning. It is not just picking up the clutter and wiping down surfaces, it opens sanitized areas throughout the home.
This is the last window that we need to clean. We finished the side area and the back area windows. And this is the last one finally. Actually, it's 12 o'clock in the afternoon now. So after this cleaning this, we'll have our lunch first and then go inside, do the inside area of the windows. I told you that I'm going to eat lunch. Actually, I forgot to cook my squid, my adobong pusit. Still fresh yet. So let's after cleaning the outside windows, I still have to cook because I only prepare our rice here. Look, this is our rice. I prepared. This is our rice. I prepared it, and I thought I have leftover food yesterday, so there's nothing in the fridge. So let us cook first our adobong pusit. See, adobong squid. Let's prepare first. Anyway, Filipino food is easy to cook, very fast, and with the help of my fast stove, also gas stove. So let's cook first. I'm so hungry. It's actually 12:15 now. But anyway, I used to eat 1 o'clock in the afternoon. But then I'm a bit hungry, so it's okay. Now we finish chopping all the garlic, onion, chili, and of course ginger. So now it's time for us to cook our adobo. Only take few minutes. Let's check it again. I think it's almost done. It's just very nice. This is the adobo squid, Filipino food, with a bit of spiciness, a bit spicy. So it's time to eat, guys. Let's eat now our adobo. Adobong pusit or squid adobo is ready. I just put the garlic, the fried garlic that I separated a while ago on top of the dish. And then the rice. I have a mango here. So, mango season. So, come and join me, guys. Mango season, so I'll put it here. I don't want to slice it. I'll show you how I eat mango at home, because we're not social here. This is how I eat my lunch, and I used to eat Filipino food. I am not much into Indian food because I am having problem. After cleaning the outside window, we have to clean also inside because it's not clean at all if you only clean outside. So, but then I will eat first, because it's already 12:45 in the afternoon. If I don't eat on time, I will have headache. So my family knows about that. Indians usually eat at around 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock as their lunch. But for us Filipino, and especially for me, if I eat lunch after 2 o'clock, so my head is really blasting. So I cannot eat like that. And my in-laws knows about that. So whenever there is event or functions in the family, or if you're attending any functions, I used to eat first at 1:30, then I will again eat like 3 o'clock. If that is their lunch, I will eat only then. So now let's eat, guys. Very nice. The shrimps here, or the prawns, they're farming, so plenty. There are so many prawns and squid in the market. I also bought some tilapia from the market. There's nowadays, before, tilapia is not available here in India, in Kerala. So nowadays I'm seeing a lot of tilapia in the market. I used to buy tilapia also. Yesterday only my dinner is my lunch. Actually, this food what I cook in the afternoon is also my dinner. So I save money. I don't want to eat lavish, and I save money also. So this is how it's my life here in India. Even in Philippines, actually, when we cook lunch, that's also our dinner. We don't cook separately for lunch and for dinner. So it's good, no? You save money, and we don't want. Well, it's also saving time. Save money and save time, because in the evening you can just rest after your work. Sarap. Filipino food is better. It's very nice, we're done. We're finished. Sarap. Very nice. Still have squid, no? Remaining. Look, still have squid. I didn't finish. Actually, Filipinos usually eat less viand or dishes and more rice. So sometimes we even have extra rice. So let's eat the mango. I used to smell the mango. I think it's a bit sour. So this is how you test whether the mango is. You have to smell the mango, whether it is, you can smell if it is sweet or sour. But I think this one is so sour because I didn't smell it because in the market or in the supermarket, excuse me, you're wearing mask, no? So it's not allowed to remove the mask in the supermarket. So I just pick it up like this around the rest. So this is how I eat my mango. See it. More. And I cut it like this. In square. Like this. And then you open it. And that's it. Not that much sweet. It's still early for this because it's mango season, no? I think this is the first batch of mangoes. It's not that much. It is not sweet, not sour. It's just okay. So, and this is the seed. I just remove the skin like this, and now it's time to wash the dishes and then clean the inside part of our window. We're back again in cleaning our windows. We just finished taking bath, you know. It's already 4 o'clock in the afternoon here in India. And actually, I finished cleaning the inside windows at around 2 o'clock. And then I still feel that the house is too dusty, so I started doing dusting of our showcase, our TV area, and also our pillar because we have a arch here, no? The arch and pillars. So I did the dusting of that and also the cupboard. So I finished around I think we finished around 3:30. So I just took rest for 30 minutes because I was literally sweating. So I'm so tired now. I started cleaning the windows at around 10 o'clock, and imagine finish at around 3:30. You only have few and now it's 4 o'clock. So imagine, so that's why I took bath now. I feel so that's dirty. I feel so tired. But then our work's still not yet done. The curtain that we washed in the morning, so we still have to hang. So look, I will rest for a while because really I can really feel the tiredness. My back is paining, my hand, especially my hand, right hand actually. It's so, I'm feeling this thumb is already numbed. So let me just rest for a while and we'll finish our work in a few hours again. And it's, cleaning is really tiring. So let's get all these curtains that we wash in the morning, and it's time to hang it back in our curtain rod. Sorted out all the colors in each area. Let's see, this is blue color here in this room. This is actually kids room. And outside, I sorted out this white curtain will be there in this middle area, and there are 3 colors in our hall. This living room area will have this off-white, the dark brown, coffee brown, and the mocha brown. So this will be there. Okay. So, and then in the dining area also, it's already there. The mocha brown and the off-white also. So let's start hanging these curtains so that our work is done, is finished. three colors in our room, three colors of curtain, and there are seven curtain like this. I'm planning to change this, the way it was arranged before. So let me check if this one is good. Now, did you like the arrangement of the color of these curtains here in our room? If you like it, or if you have some suggestion on how to arrange this curtain, please comment down below. And if you like it also, please comment down as well. Now we have to go to the last area where we have to place the curtain, and that is our laundry area. And we're done, finally. I'm literally sweating now. So we'll go there in the laundry. Now this is the last area, and we're done with cleaning and hanging the curtains. Thank God. And we're done with cleaning, hanging the curtains, the washed curtains, the newly washed curtains. So now see the house. It's nice to. The feeling is so clean and tidy. So thank you very much for continuously watching our blog. Watch out for our next video. Our special guest is coming in a few days. So God bless, stay safe, bye.
Sorry, it's DJ.